If they fail one case, I'll file 10 cases. I have got good group of advocates. Let them file one case. Just say I'm telling you, I'll file 10 cases from which they cannot escape. I have faced cases. They have not faced it. And I will, on the top man only, I'll file the cases.
Rashtriya Dravida Sangha will file a public interest litigation in Karnataka High Court for Soujayanya, who was raped and murdered 11 years ago. Addressing a press conference, writer, filmmaker and activist Agni Shridhar said Soujayanya is not only the daughter of Dharmasthala but the whole state. We will file a PIL to get justice for all the victims. Soujayanya, a 17-year-old PU student, went missing in 2012.
We will not go for re-investigation or reopening of Soujayanya case. There were many other killings. We are not saying who is behind it. It should be investigated. Till now it is not investigated. So we are going to file a PIL in the court, High Court. Writ petition as well as PIL. So through that we will commence a fresh investigation. Re-investigation will take time. Fresh investigation, we have faith in judiciary. If we present it properly, definitely we will get the order. There, including Soujayanya, all the cases will be investigated. Even Mr. Modi, Prime Minister of the country, feeling bad about Dharmasthala. That's all I want to say. I know it. He is feeling bad that it should not have happened. So, and secondly, country is mainly depending on judiciary. It is judiciary, ultimate justice system will be delivered by judiciary. Whatever the other differences, other allegations, I have faith in our judiciary. They are for the victims. Today's judges, starting from the lawyer to the highest level, they are for the victims. I am saying it openly and I know it. In some cases, they may be for the government or for the very powerful. But in an individual cases, they are for the victims, always. Now I feel bad. They should have raised. In fact, Mr. Agni is talking about it. Mr. Agni is saying, get it investigated. Give compensation to the family. To that extent, he is talking very good. But the thing is, he shouldn't, even if his own family members are involved, he should not have started. He should not have interfered. Then our respect would have grown 100-fold. But people are saying he is there, and the way he is talking sometimes, of course, I don't want to take it too seriously because he is also aged man. He is mid-70s. I can understand. He should not talk like that because he is considered Dharmadikar.